So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can watch an F1 Grand Prix live on your laptops or Windows systems or any of the desktop that you have. Now, in order to do it, simply open any of the browser that you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, now here you have to search for F1 Live Grand Prix. Just simply search it, and here you'll get to know about the first option, that is the website of Formula One racing. And when you scroll down, you'll get to know about the platform that have streaming rights for in my region it says fan code. So just simply open the fan code, and it says the upcoming Grand Prix, and I can easily buy the subscription of fan code to watch the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix that is going to happen in on 7th of December. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.